Stripped screws in plastic are a common frustration, especially when working with delicate electronics. Understanding what causes this problem is the first step to solving it. This damage occurs when the grooves in the screw head are worn down or deformed, making it impossible for your screwdriver to get a proper grip. The most common cause is using the wrong screwdriver type or size. Different screws require specific drivers for proper engagement. Using excessive force, poor quality tools, or misaligned screwdrivers can quickly damage the delicate grooves in screw heads. Plastic is particularly vulnerable because it's much softer than wood or metal. This means damage occurs more easily and spreads faster. Before trying aggressive extraction methods, start with these gentle initial steps. First, double-check that you're using the correct screwdriver size and type. Next, apply penetrating oil like WD-40 to help loosen the screw. Let it sit for several minutes to work its way into the threads. Finally, maintain constant firm pressure while keeping your screwdriver perfectly aligned with the screw's direction. Avoid angling the screwdriver, as this can cause further damage. Remember, gentle methods are always best when working with plastic. These initial steps often succeed where force fails, preventing further damage to your delicate components. When basic removal methods fail, the rubber band trick is often the first advanced technique to try. This method works by filling the damaged grooves in the screw head. Place a wide rubber band flat over the stripped screw head. The rubber fills the gaps where the screw grooves are damaged, providing extra grip for your screwdriver. The duct tape method works similarly to the rubber band technique, but uses the adhesive properties of tape to increase friction between the screwdriver and screw head. Place a piece of duct tape sticky side down on the screw head. Insert your screwdriver through the tape and attempt to turn. The adhesive provides additional grip on the damaged screw head. When the screw head is exposed enough, pliers or vice grips can provide a mechanical advantage. Vice grips are particularly effective because they clamp onto the screw head with adjustable pressure. Grip the screw head firmly with the pliers or vice grips and turn counterclockwise. Be very careful not to damage the surrounding plastic material, as excessive force can crack or deform the plastic housing. Screw extractors are specialized tools designed specifically for removing stripped screws. They work by drilling into the screw and using reverse threads to pull the screw out. First, drill a pilot hole in the center of the stripped screw head using a drill bit slightly smaller than the extractor. Then insert the screw extractor and turn it counterclockwise to remove the screw. As a last resort for plastic components, you can heat a small flathead screwdriver and carefully melt it into the plastic screw head to create a new slot for removal. Heat the screwdriver tip until it's hot enough to melt plastic, then carefully press it into the stripped screw head to create a new slot. Allow it to cool completely before attempting to turn the screw. These advanced methods provide multiple options for removing stubborn stripped screws from plastic. Start with the gentlest methods like rubber bands or duct tape, then progress to more aggressive techniques only if necessary.